Hi there and welcome back to Pro Chef Academy, and today what we're going to do is we're going to make sauteed potatoes, classic salt potatoes, and then we'll make a derivative of that as well, which is called mayonnaise potatoes. So we're starting off here. I have some baby boiled potatoes. Start them off in cold water. Generally what grows below the ground, start in cold water. If it grows above the ground, hot water. And we're just going to put in some salt here into our water, and we're going to power cook these. This is stage one here of our classic sauteed potatoes. Okay, so stage one is just complete here. My baby boiled are power cooked, so you check them by sticking a knife into them. It goes in, there's still a little bit of resistance, so we know they're power cooked. So I'm going to take these out now into a bowl, and what I want to do is I'm going to peel these while they're hot. Okay, I'm going to remove the skin, and I want to remove the skin here, but still keeping the shape of potatoes. So that's our stage one done, so we're moving on to stage two. Okay, so the next stage here is we need to peel our potatoes. So what we want to do is we're going to have a sharp knife, and what we want to do is we just want to delicately peel the skin off our potatoes. It's good to do these while they're warm, it's a lot easier. Okay, that's the next stage there. We're going to remove all the skin. We're leaving hopefully no lumps and bumps on the potato, so we still have a perfectly shaped potato there that we can then slice for the next stage. So that's the next stage. We're going to remove all the skin from our baby potatoes to process then for sauteed potatoes. Next stage. Okay, so we've peeled our potatoes here, so the next part of the process is, you can see here I have a tray here that I use. What I do is I cover my tray here with cling film, and then the potatoes don't stick to the tray, and I find it very easy then for having my potatoes prepped in my service fridge ready for cooking. Okay, so what we do is cut off the end. Okay, so these are cooked, power cooked. So what we'll do is nice whole slice through. Okay, these are quite starchy there, so you want to keep them all the same thickness. There. Okay, even, so they are power cooked. There's still a little bit of bite in them, and then you will finish them off then by, as we cook them in the pan, get colour on them. Okay, so top and tail, and then what we do is we just take these and we lay them then on our tray, like so. Like that. So that's the next stage now. So I'm going to slice all these and put them on my tray. Next stage. Okay, so the next stage here, I have my potatoes here prepped and sliced on my tray, and now I'm going to start adding them to my oil, which I've preheated. And you can see there that they start to cook straight away. And we're going to layer in our potatoes there. Okay, we're going to get a nice pan here, non-stick pan, which is really, really important here. Just lay those in. So as we start to colour these, and then I'll come back here and show you as they start to colour. So just laying them in there to get a nice portion on. We're going to season them with salt and pepper as well. Okay. Okay, so here we are. Here we have our sauteed potatoes that we've just cooked. Okay, what we're going to do now to finish is just going to drain them here in our blue paper. And that will remove any excess oil and grease. We've seasoned them there with a little bit of salt and pepper. We also had, near the end there, I just put past a little bit of clarified butter in there just to give that extra nice brown golden colour. So I'm going to present these on a plate now in a second, and you'll see how we do classical sauteed potatoes. And as I said, there's our final overview there of our sauteed potatoes. Beautiful, tasty, classical potato dish that anyone can do. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share, and keep watching for more videos. Thank you very much.